Meta here from Moxa. When you need to manage an ever-increasing number of devices, it becomes incredibly important to have device management tools to help you efficiently perform your device maintenance tasks. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how the Moxa CLI Configuration Tool, or MCC for short, can help you simplify device maintenance. Let's go to the demo rack. Here we have 7 serial device servers, 7 protocol gateways, and 6 remote IOs for a total of 20 devices. Today, we're going to do 4 common maintenance tasks that need to be done periodically. For each device, we're going to check the current firmware version, back up the device's configuration, change the password, and then update the firmware. Now, let's see just how fast the MCC tool can be compared to manual configuration of these devices using the web console. As you can see, with Moxa's CLI Configuration Tool, periodic device maintenance is quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.